today we start the project to replace the retaining wall. It was a timber retaining wall. It's damaged and collapsed for a concrete sleeper retaining wall. First, we have to take the old timber retaining wall. As you can see, that will happen if the drainage not work well. The soil will be wet and push the wall, and this will happen. We wanna replace it by the concrete sleeper and a steel post retaining wall. First step, it's taking off the timber and move it to the skip bin. So guys, after removing the timber retaining wall, we have to dig more back, about 20 centimeter back, to have a space for the ag pipe and the aggregate on top of it. And then I need to install the first corner post and the other there, the end, and then we'll set the line to continue and install the other posts. Good morning guys, we're back to the job. All steel post set. It's concreted to the ground, and also we clean the line for the ag pipe, make a slope to the side, and we have to run the water from the storm water on end of the wall. The wall is going for three sleeper 600, 4 sleeper 800, and coming here is 5 sleeper 1 meter height. That's a corner post. It's one going that way and the other going to the other direction. That's a galvanized 100 millimeter steel post, and as I showed you before, it's 600 deep to the ground and 1 meter on top, same as the other. But for 600 we should dig 400 or 500 down. Now it's the next step. We have to lay the geotex fabric next to the soil to stop the soil coming to the drain, and then install the sleeper. When I install the sleeper, I mark it for first sleeper, and then we fill it some concrete here to hold the sleeper in the line, and then the other coming on top of it to be flushed to the end. So guys, we are starting to install a sleeper through the post. We market the post every 200 for the sleepers, and for the first one we level it by the concrete top of the concrete post to stop the sleeper not going down. Also the other side as well, to level it, and then we tap to be on top of the mark. So guys, as you can see, we run the ag pipe behind the retaining wall. One comes off from this part and the other comes from that part of the retaining wall. We have a slope that way and also through this way. I bring up and I will cut it to be open, then we can wash through, flash by the hose in few months if we need it. It can be washed through any soil or any dust inside of the pipe will be washed out. And when we add the second layer, then we try to fill up by the blue metal as an aggregate on to cover the pipe, and this mat will hold the soil not mixing to the drain system. Also, as you can see, this is 80 meter and the post is 100 millimeter. We add the timber, some cut off to hold the sleeper to the face, and then we fill back all through. For this part, we take off, we cut the sleeper and run off excuse me, and run off the pipe through, and then later I cut the pipe from that side. So guys, job completed. Now we're cleaning the wall. As you can see, that's the retaining wall. 3 courses going to 4 and then going to 5. Thank you for watching us and see you in the next project.